In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the area of any shape in AutoCAD. This is a fundamental skill for anyone working with design and drafting. Understanding this functionality will help you gain clarity on dimensions and specifications, ensuring precision in your work. So, let's dive into the steps to achieve this. To begin with, we need to focus on using the Properties feature in AutoCAD, which is an incredibly powerful tool for identifying the area of a shape. But before we go ahead and extract the area information, it's crucial to ensure that the object you're working with is a complete polygon. Why is this important? Well, incomplete polygons or disconnected lines can lead to inaccurate calculations. So we want to make sure we're dealing with a whole and unified shape first. If your object isn't yet a full polygon, there's a simple fix. Start by selecting all the components of the shape you want to work with. This means clicking on each line or curve that constructs the shape. Once you have the entire shape highlighted, type the command Join into the command line and press Enter. This action effectively joins all of the separate components, turning them into one cohesive polygon. You can easily verify that the join function worked by clicking on one side of the polygon. If the shape is indeed a polygon, all of the other lines or curves should be highlighted at the same time. This confirms that everything is connected and you're ready to move on to the next step. Now that you've ensured your shape is a complete polygon, you're set to calculate the area. This is the part where AutoCAD's Properties command comes into play. At the command line, type Prop and hit Enter. This will bring up a Properties window where you can access a wide array of details about the object, including its area. Simply locate the area value, and there you have it, the precise measurement of the space within your polygon at your fingertips. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can swiftly and accurately determine the area of any shape in AutoCAD, enhancing your workflow efficiency and ensuring precise designs. Keep practicing these steps to become faster and more confident in your approach. AutoCAD offers a multitude of tools, each enriching your abilities as a designer or drafter. So by mastering these calculations, you're broadening your skill set in utilizing this robust drafting program to its full potential. Thanks for watching and happy designing.